Algorithms. I woke up today and asked my mom for a cup of coffee. Do you know what I got? A flying flip flop. Indians would get it, don't you? And then she asked me to make it on my own. The first thing I did was to Google how to make coffee. Then Google gave me the following steps to make a coffee. And then I started by taking a pot filled with water and heated it for a minute, then added instant coffee powder to a mug. Then I poured hot water into the mug and then I added the milk. And then when I drank it, it was real bad. Then I remembered that I forgot to add sugar. But never mind. We'll move on to the next topic, which is algorithms. Let us consider me making coffee as an example. There, I followed a step-by-step procedure to make coffee, didn't I? So, an algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Here, the problem is to make coffee. The steps are the algorithm. So, next time someone asks you, you can say that you followed a state-of-the-art algorithm to make a coffee. Just like advertisements. It's totally correct, but you may get weird looks. Let us move into robotics. So, there is a robot which is known as an obstacle avoiding robot. It should avoid any objects in its way. Let us devise an algorithm for that robot, can we? Okay, so do these lines strike something? Well, in Intro to Programming lecture, I introduced you to this and told I'd explain it later. Now is the time. Here is the explanation for that. At first, we have to get input from sensor. Then, robot should move forward until the sensor is triggered or an object is detected. Then, if an object is detected, it should rotate 180 degrees and start to move forward. And at last, go to step 1. Here, I've done something called looping. Looping is done to make a process repeat itself. I'll teach you about loops in upcoming classes. To convert that algorithm to an actual working code, we will have to learn many more concepts such as conditional statements, variables, and looping. So if you follow the order, you'll be able to create an advanced Scratch program by the end of this section. Make sure you finish all the challenges. That will help you learn about algorithms in depth.